Hi, on behalf of Goans and my wonderful team, I wish all my readers and all the Goans around the world and back at home in Goa a Merry Christmas and many graces of the infant Jesus be showered upon you all. And at the same time, I also wish you all a bright new year of 2012. Goans is proud that I have a lot of people who are fighting against the corruption and the wrong things. And as such, I ask the Lord Jesus to bless you all and to give you courage to choose what is right and what is wrong. May all the blessings of the Christmas be upon you and all your family. सगळे माझ्या गोंयकारांक हांव देता एक खुशाल बरीत नातालां आनी एक रसरशीत नवें वर्स फुडलें येता तें 2012 मागता जेजू लागीं सगळ्या आमच्या गोंयकारांचेर आख्ख्या संवसाराक शिंपडलेल्या ताणें आपलो आशिर्वाद घालचो आनी आपल्या देण्यांनी सगळ्या गोंयकारांक भरचें आनी गोंयचो मोग तांच्या काळजान सोमोवचो म्हणून. May God bless you all. Have a nice Christmas. Enjoy.